Hey everyone, this is Jarred Brooke, Extension Wildlife Specialist with Purdue University, and I'm out here on one of our research farms doing some habitat management work. But that's not what I want to talk to you today about. Actually, on our way into the property, we ran across a hen turkey with her brood or her poults or her young. So I thought this was a great opportunity to talk to you about how you can be involved in helping the Indiana DNR with estimating wild turkey populations across the state. And that's through their annual turkey brood survey. So this is a citizen science project that relies on you as a citizen of the state to report any hens and poults that you may see when you're spending time outdoors. So the way the survey works is anytime you're out and about, maybe you're driving down the road, or maybe you're working on some habitat management work on your property, anytime from July 1st to August 31st that you see a hen turkey with or without a brood, all you have to do is count the number of hens and count the number of poults you see and report that information through an online portal. It's that simple. The surveys take less than 5 minutes, easy to do, all while you're helping the DNR collect valuable data that they'll use to manage wild turkey populations throughout the state. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can learn more information by visiting the website on.in.gov/turkeybrood. That's where you report turkeys, and that's where you'll find more information about the survey. So we hope you'll participate and help the DNR collect this valuable data.